A powerful gas explosion is back in the spotlight. Just this morning, a blast rocked a residential neighborhood, causing several homes to collapse and trapping people under rubble. The response? Firefighters and rescue teams have rushed to the scene, with thick smoke still filling the air. Why does this matter? Nearby residents are being evacuated for safety as emergency services launch a desperate search for survivors. With the cause of the explosion still under investigation and the area declared critical, this rescue effort is only getting more intense. Stay tuned, because what's happening in this neighborhood could hit closer to home than you think.